Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to arrange the menu for your WooCommerce shop. So in last videos we have studied how to install WordPress and cPanel hosting and how to add or install WooCommerce and add products and all those details. Okay, and today's video I will show you how to add or arrange your website menus. Okay, so basically we are going to sell the products using this website, right? So in my case what I need is like I need to have a home page, and this is the home page what we have created in last video, and I need to show the home page, and after that I need to show the product, like I'm selling cat as well as the dogs product, so I need to have two separate pages for dogs products and cat products, and I can also have a contact us page also. Okay, so in today's video I will show you how to create these things. Okay, for doing this you have to go to your admin panel, and from here you can go to appearance and just click on menu. Okay, in this page you can see all the menus, right? These are the menus. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my home page. This is the home page. Okay, and I'm going to keep the cart page. This is the cart page. So first I'm going to delete all the unwanted pages. Just delete the shop page, the sample page, and my account page, the checkout page, and I'm going to that I can just click on custom link. Okay, so in custom link first I need to create a page for showing my cat foods. Okay, so just click on any of the cat food product, and here you'll be able to see the category. Okay, so this is the category which shows all the cat products. So what I can do is I can just go here and enter the URL here, and I'm going to type cat foods. Okay, and add to the menu. So this will be the cat product, and same like that I can go to my product for the dog food and just click on dog food, and I'm going to copy this and add the URL and add this dog foods. Just add it to the menu, and after that I'm going to rearrange. Okay, first I need to show the home page, after that the cat food, and after that the dog food, and then the cart, and just click on create menu. Okay, so this is the menu, and just refresh the page. Okay, and now I have created this one, and what I can do is I can just click on primary menu. Okay, where the menu should display, just click on save menu. Okay, after refreshing the page you will be able to see the menu what we have created. This is the home page, and this is the cat foods, and this is the dog foods, and this is the cart page. Okay, so this is how you can create the menus in WooCommerce website. Okay, and now if you want to create a new page for the contact, you can go back to pages and click on add new page, and just create a new page called contact. Okay, contact us, and what all things you need you can display it there. Okay, so like how the page should look. Okay, like you can add some paragraph here, your contact information. Okay, just like it's good. And okay, I can just upload the image of my show. So just upload the image of my show and just click on publish. Okay, so this page is also published, and just see how the page looks. So now you can go back to the menus and you can find the contact us here. Okay, you can in the pages you'll be able to see the contact us. Just click on this one and add to menu, and you'll be able to see the menu here. Just save and go back to your website, and you'll be able to see the contact us here. Okay, just click on the contact us, and you'll be able to see the contact details here. Okay, so this is how you can create or you can add your menus in the WooCommerce website. Okay, so just make sure that like this is a development type of video. Okay, so I just need to show you how you can create your shop in a simple way, but like if you want to make the shop in a professional way, or if you want to create a store in a professional way, in that case you can go for a better theme, or you can hire a web development company for doing this. Okay, so this is just a simple way how you can create your online store using WordPress. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.